Each question is given 5 seconds time. First question, 5 plus 5 plus 6. Time starts now. Answer is 16. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Remember these 5 pairs of numbers, that is 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6 and 5 and 5. In additions, whenever you see any of these 5 pairs of numbers, immediately you should remember 10. Like for example, if you see 3 and 7 in additions, immediately you should remember 10. Because 1 plus 9 is equal to 10, 2 plus 8 is equal to 10, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. The same way, the reverse. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, and 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So if you remember these 5 pairs of numbers, it makes you to do additions very quickly. Next question. 4 plus 6 plus 9. Time starts now. Answer is 19. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 and 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Next question. 2 plus 8 plus 4. Your time starts now. The answer is 14. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Next question. 7 plus 3 plus 8. Your time starts now. The answer is 18. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Next question. 1 plus 9 plus 5. Your time starts now. The answer is 15. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Next question. 4 plus 3 plus 6. Time starts now. The answer is 13. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 and 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Next question. 8 plus 4 plus 2. The answer is 14. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 and 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Next question. 9 plus 1 plus 7. Time starts now. The answer is 17. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 and 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. Next question. 5 plus 5 plus 5. Time starts now. The answer is 15. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 and 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Next question. 6 plus 8 plus 2. Time starts now. The answer is 16. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 and 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Next question. 1 plus 3 plus 7. Time starts now. The answer is 11. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10 and 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 9 plus 6 plus 4. The answer is 19. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 and 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.